update video, okay? We're gonna cover a few things. First being, Xbox didn't blow up. We're good there, we solid. For those checking the comments and worrying about it.
Did he say the Xbox was gonna blow up?
That was a possibility, okay? 90% chance it blows up, but it worked out, okay? We're all good there. In this video, the reason for the update, I want you guys to know that it's safe, because I was just joking with that, okay? I was just giving you a little hard time joking with you guys. Not gonna make my Xbox blow up. I wouldn't play myself like that out of $300. Now I'm gonna just give you some insights after having it for a week, gaming on it, checking out the extra performance, see what might have went wrong, okay? Not much, only one thing really. Actually, factually, only one thing happened, and it wasn't really a problem, just an annoyance to me. I didn't put enough adhesive in there, so as you know, you're gaming hard, you're putting in that sweat, Xbox gets a little bit hotter, more airflow, the fan's working harder, so when it starts really picking up speed, I heard a little bit of a little noise, a little they drive you crazy underneath your skin, make you want to jump out of a window, the usual. So that was the only problem I ran into. All I had to do, quick fix. I'll tell you right now, open up the Xbox, add a little bit more adhesive. That's what I had to do, less than 10 minutes. But that's for me, I've been doing this for a while. I understand if you're hesitant on this or you're worried about that, take your time. Watch videos, watch mine, reference it, those tutorials on breakdowns on how to open this up and close it again, go slow. Other than that, everything's been good. Everything been real good. Performance crazy. I'm like, what is it, a pro gamer now? Yeah, start Twitch streaming. You guys watching maybe? That's a possibility, but everything's good. I'll just show you a little bit more of what it can do. This is the update, show you what the lights do and give you the pricing. That's like $40 to $50 for this. It's pretty high, I'm be honest. If I wasn't doing this for the video, I don't know if I would have just done this for myself for 40 to 50. That's probably the biggest drawback, the price. Extreme rate, you watching this, you get to this, you should change your price a little bit. Drop it for a little bit. I think a cool $29.99, still kinda up there. But there, I think it's a little bit easier to be like, okay, I can do that. $29.99, all right, $99. Okay, so that's the price. Another thing, some of you might have been asking about that Xbox LED, the home button, how I did that. Oh my goodness, how does it look like that? Well, I got you, okay? I made a video on that, and it's gonna be right here or down here, whichever one, okay? Check it out if you wanna know how to do that. It's nice and easy. Come chill with me a little bit more. And there's more. If you wanna buy this Xbox or get an Xbox mod like this, you want me to do it for you, let me know. Again, check the description. I got you, all right? Got you. I'll give you a quick little rundown of the LEDs. So this is the remote that comes with it right here. Plus and minus, brighter and dim. I haven't really seen much of a difference, but this is all that really matters right here. This lets you change the sequence of the LEDs. You see that? Oh, hold up, come on. Focus, there it is. There she goes. That's just changing the color. This is like a glow. Change the color, does the same effect. This is what I usually like to leave it on. Just sequence through a few of the colors. And that's it, that's a wrap, all right? That's all I got for you. That's the update. Got more on the way. Getting busy. Might start doing some fitness stuff too, who's to say? You guys wanna see me run miles? I don't know, I might just be doing it. Might be a me thing mostly too. And see if you guys wanna ride along. Trying to get that 5-minute mile. All right, I'm gonna see you guys, yeah? I'm gonna see you.